Question is, if f r to r, fx is equal to 2x minus 3, g r to r, gx is equal to x cube plus 5, then value of FOG inverse x is. We are to evaluate here FOG inverse x. Means first we are to calculate FOG of x. So we know that FOG of x, as per definition of composite function, it is f of gx. Now gx we know is x cube plus 5. So I can write in place of gx as x cube plus 5. So it becomes f of x cube plus 5. Now we see that we have been given fx as 2x minus 3. Means if I am writing here x as x cube plus 5, in right hand side also I am to write in place of x as x cube plus 5. So this becomes 2 times x cube plus 5, and minus 3 will come here as it is. We can calculate this. This becomes 2x cube plus 2 into 5 is 10 minus 3. This becomes 2x cube plus 7. So FOG of x, we have obtained 2x cube plus 7. Now we are to calculate FOG inverse x. So let us say that FOG inverse x is equal to y. We assume that this is equal to y. So we can write that this implies x is equal to FOG of y, which gives us that x is equal to FOG of y. Means I am to write in place of x as y. So it is 2y cube plus 7. This is the value of x. So simplifying this equation for y, we obtain that this implies x minus 7 upon 2 is equal to y cube, which gives us y is equal to x minus 7 upon 2 raised to the power 1 upon 3. This is the value of y. And what is our y? Y is FOG inverse of x, and hence the inverse function FOG inverse x is x minus 7 upon 2 whole raised to the power 1 upon 3. Our option D here is the correct option. Next question is, if fx is equal to x upon 1 minus x is equal to 1 upon y, then fy equals, these are the 4 options given to us. Now we can find the value of y from this equation, that is, this is the middle part of the equation and this is the third part of the equation. So x upon 1 minus x is equal to 1 upon y gives us y is equal to 1 minus x upon x. Now fx is given as this from first part and the middle part. So I can write fy is equal to, in place of x here I am writing y. So here also I should write y, which is equal to 1 minus y upon 1 minus y, which gives me 1 minus x upon x upon 1 minus x upon x. Simplify this, 1 minus x upon x upon x minus 1 plus x upon x. X and x are cancelled. This gives us 1 minus x upon 2x minus 1. So fy value is this, and hence here option D is the correct option. Next question is, if fx is equal to x minus 3 upon x plus 1, then f of fx equals, options are x 1 upon x minus x, and option D is minus 1 upon x. First we will be calculating what is given there in the big bracket. f of x. First we will be calculating this. Now fx is given x minus 3 upon x plus 1. Put this value here. So we obtain f of x minus 3 upon x plus 1. Now in place of x, here we have written x minus 3 upon x plus 1. So here also we will be writing in place of x this value. So we obtain this is equal to x minus 3 upon x plus 1 minus 3 upon x minus 3 upon x plus 1 plus 1. Calculate this. So this gives us LCM in the numerator is x plus 1. Here it will be x minus 3 minus 3x minus 3. Here x plus 1 in denominator is x plus 1 is the LCM. We obtain here x minus 3 plus x plus 1. X plus 1 and x plus 1 are cancelled. This is equal to, simplifying, minus 2x minus 6 upon, here it will be 2x minus 2. This gives us, divide both numerator and denominator by 2. We obtain minus x minus 3 upon x minus 1. This we are obtaining the value of f of x. Now to calculate this, we write f of fx. In place of this, I am to write this value. So this will be f of minus x minus 3 upon x minus 1. Now in place of x here, I am to write this value. So it will be minus x minus 3 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon, again for this x, we are to write this value, means minus x minus 3 upon x minus 1 plus 1. Simplify this. X minus 1 will be LCM in the numerator and denominator, which will be cancelled. So I am writing directly. It will be minus x minus 3 minus 3x plus 3 upon minus x minus 3 plus x minus 1. Simplify this. This is equal to minus 4x, 3 and 3 are cancelled, upon x and x are cancelled, it will be minus 4. Minus 4 and minus 4 are cancelled, we obtain x. So value of this function is equal to x, and hence here option A is the correct option. Next question is, if fx is equal to cos log x, then fx into fy minus 1 upon 2 within bracket f of x upon y plus fx into y equals. Options are minus 1, 0, 1 upon 2, minus 2. Now we have been given fx as cos log x. So fy will be, in place of x I am to write y, so it will be cos log y. Similarly fx upon y will be cos log x upon y, and fxy will be cos log x into y. So expression will become is equal to fx, that is cos log x, into fy, that is cos log y, minus 1 upon 2 fx upon y, that is cos log x upon y plus fxy, that is cos log x into y. This we are obtaining. Now, in this bracket, we have cos log x upon y plus cos log xy, which is of the form cos c plus cos d. And we have the trigonometric formula that cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. This is our trigonometric formula. We can apply it here. So this expression will become cos log x into cos log y. This will be as it is, minus 1 upon 2. Apply the formula here. So it will be 2 cos this plus this upon 2, means log x upon y plus log xy upon 2 into cos log x upon y minus log xy upon 2. This we will be obtaining. Simplify this. So this is equal to, again this will be as it is, so it is cos log x into cos log y minus 1 upon 2. Now 2 can be cancelled, so you simplify it here. 2 and this 2 are cancelled. In bracket we obtain cos. Now log x upon y can be written as log x minus log y with the property of log. So this will be log x minus log y plus again log xy. Log xy can be written log x plus log y. So it will be log x plus log y upon 2 into cos. Again it will be log x minus log y. Minus is there, so it will be minus log x minus log y upon 2. This we are obtaining with using the properties of log. Now minus log y and plus log y are cancelled. Here minus log x and plus log x are cancelled. So simplifying this, this is equal to cos log x into cos log y minus, here in the numerator 2 log x upon 2, means 2 are cancelled. So it is cos log x into, here it will be cos minus 2 log y upon 2, and 2 and 2 are cancelled, so it will be minus log y. Now we know that cos of minus theta is cos theta. So this value is cos of y, log y. So this simplifying gives us cos log x into cos log y minus cos log x, and this will be equal to cos log y, because cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Now both are same, so these are cancelled. These are cancelled means we obtain here 0. So the value of this expression is 0. Option B here is the correct option. Question is, if f r to r, fx is equal to 2x plus 1 and g r to r, gx is equal to x cube, then GOF inverse 27 is, options are 2, 1, minus 1 and 0. See, first we will be calculating GOFX. GOF of x. We know that the definition says that this is equal to G of fx. Fx we have been given 2x plus 1, write it here. So it will be g of 2x plus 1. In place of x, I have written here 2x plus 1. So here also I am to write in place of x as 2x plus 1. So it will be equal to 2x plus 1 whole cube. Now let this is equal to y. Let this is equal to y means this implies 2x plus 1 is equal to y raised to the power 1 upon 3 means x is equal to y to the power 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2. So GOF inverse x will be equal to, in place of y I am to write x, it will be x raised to the power 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2. Now x we have been given as 27. So I am to write in place of x here 27. So this implies GOF inverse 27 is equal to 27 raised to the power 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2. Now we know that the cube root of 27 is 3. So it will be 3 minus 1 upon 2 means 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. So here option B is the correct option. Question is, if f R2R and g is R2R, where fx is equal to 2x plus 3 and gx is equal to x square plus 1, then GOF of 2 equals, options are 38, 42, 46 and 50. See, we have to first calculate GOF x. Now GOF of x, by definition we know that this is equal to g of fx. This is equal to fx we have given 2x plus 3. So it is g 2x plus 3. This is equal to, now in place of x I have written 2x plus 3. So here also in place of x I should write 2x plus 3. So this will be 2x plus 3 whole square plus 1. Simplify this. This will be equal to 4x square plus 9 plus 2 times 2x into 3 means 12x plus 1. This is equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 10. Now we are to calculate here GOF of 2, means for x I am to write here 2. So therefore GOF of 2 will be equal to 4 into 2 square plus 12 into 2 plus 10. This is equal to 4 into 4 plus 12 into 2 is 24 plus 10, which means 16 plus 24 plus 10. This is equal to 50. So here the option D is the correct option.